This is SGT Times, bringing news from campus bus to the world. I am Kumkum Sharma, and here's what's making headlines. UP Assembly monsoon session began with key discussions. CBSE brings new rule for class 10th failures. Annu Rani clinches gold at Indian Open 2025. Here's a detailed look at our stories. The Uttar Pradesh Assembly's monsoon season began today, focusing on critical public issues including food relief, education, and farmers' welfare. Here we bring you the details.
The Uttar Pradesh Assembly's monsoon session began on August 11, focusing on key issues like flood relief, farmers' compensation, school infrastructure, and essential services. Political parties stressed the importance of collaboration in addressing public needs. The government also introduced several ordinances. The session will run until August 16, with Independence Day and Krishna Janmashtami break. Bureau Report, SGT Times.
From next year, CBSE class 10 students failing in 3 or more subjects in the first exam will not get a second chance. Let's take a closer look.
CBSE has announced a new rule for class 10th board exams starting next year. Students failing 3 or more subjects wouldn't be eligible for the second exam, while those failing 1 or 2 can take improvement exams. This aims to promote consistent studying. There will be 2 board exams annually. Bureau Report, SGT Times.
Let's pause for a short break. We'll be back soon.
Step into the spotlight at SGT University. Join the Faculty of Mass Communication and Media Technology, where innovation meets excellence. Experience our top-tier infrastructure, a dynamic news recording studio, advanced podcast lab, high-tech PCR, and a professional shooting floor, all equipped with the latest industry technology. Our curriculum, designed to meet industry demands, offers real-world projects that set you apart. Learn from seasoned industry professionals and gain insights from renowned personalities and industrial icons. Ready to make headlines? Ignite your media career at SGT University.
Welcome back after the break. Here's what's next in the news. India's Annu Rani shone bright, winning the women's javelin throw gold with a 62.01 meter mark at the Indian Open 2025. Let's have a look.
At the Indian Open 2025 meet in Bhubaneswar, Annu Rani won gold in women's javelin with a throw of 62.01 meters. Shivam Lokhade took silver in javelin, and Murali Sreeshankar won gold in long jump with 8.13 meters. The event was the first in India, offering ranking points for the World Athletics Championships in Tokyo. Bureau Report, SGT Times.
This wraps up today's bulletin. SGT Times, an initiative by the Faculty of Mass Communication and Media Technology, bids you goodbye for now. See you soon with more important news.